Hey guys, welcome back to Beach and RC. On today's episode, we're going to do a bit of an unboxing. But before I get to that, a little bit of history behind it. For those who don't follow our Facebook and Instagram, I bought this guy when it first came out about a year and a half ago, the Rugged. And aside from its flaws, it's been an amazing remote. Yeah, the touchpad doesn't work, power button sticks, lanyard mount broke, bumpers don't like to stay on. The screen ended up getting some dark spots in it come winter time. But other than that, it's been pretty reliable. Battery life has been really good on it. And once you actually get it set up, it's a really good remote. But that's where it ends, getting it set up. Well, I have it set up to two of my trucks only because it won't work with my other ones without a pain in the ass hassle. Well, whatever, I said screw it and just figured I'd keep using it until something else came along. And then Spektrum decides, hey, we're going to come out with an updated version of the Rugged and make the touchscreen better. So I was all for that. I figured, you know what, I'll give them a shout, see if I can get the old Rugged replaced here. So after a back and forth for a little bit, this shows up. I had no clue what's in here, but let's see what we got. Let's grab my knife. Cut her open there. See what we got. Okay. First off, out of the box, we've got this guy. New Rugged. In orange, because anybody who doesn't know, I moderate RC Sparks, so what better color to have than black and orange? What else have we got in here? Ooh. From a 40 amp ESC. Could come in handy for something. Don't know yet for sure what yet, but we'll see what else is in this big box. Oh, and threw in a couple of hats. Right on. So, first off, let's move this up out of the way. We'll do a video on this another time. This is what I want to see. This is what we all want to see. I want to know how much different what the heck? Getting here upside down. This, ooh, that's pretty. Radio is compared to this one. So that's what we're going to do on our next episode. We'll be comparing these two remotes. Also, in a future episode, we'll be doing something with this. Not too sure yet. I have an idea, but we'll see where that goes. But for now, nice flat. It looks the same, except for this back part here. It's one piece instead of this is a bunch of buttons. But that button, ooh, that feels nice. Yeah, well, it looks promising so far. Hopefully it's as good. But that's all for today, guys. We'll see you next time on Beach and RC. Before I sign off, I just want to say a huge thank you to Spektrum and Horizon Hobby for sending me out a new Rugged the awesome Firma 40 amp Firma ESC and the hats. I'm gonna enjoy that quite well. Thank you. Big shout out to Spektrum. Thank you very much.